Hello. In today's video, we'll be going over conditional styling within Visual DB. So let's get right into it. Right off the bat, I have created a sheet that we are going to be using today. So let me explain that real quick. It's called Project Tracker because each row is a different project that we're tracking. So just to explain the fields and what they mean, there's the title of the project, who the project is assigned to, the status of the project, the priority, start date, expected end date, percent complete, if it's billable, and the estimate. So basically, that's just our sheet, something simple. And now let's get into conditional styling. So basically, what conditional styling is, for example, if there was some special value that a certain row has and you want that to stand out, conditional styling can help you with that. So to further explain, let me create a conditional style. So if we go to the specific field that we want to stand out, and then we go down to advanced and then conditional styling, we'll see this pops up. We're going to create a new conditional style and we are going to change the color. So if it's something bad, make it red. If it's something good, make it green, right? So let's make it red. And let's say, for example, if our percent complete is less than or equal to 20%, then we want it to be red because it's not that much complete. So you'll see here that we can go through. So first you pick a field, then you pick the comparator, and then you pick a value. So we're going to press OK to that, and we'll see here all the different projects that are less than 20% complete are showing up red. Additionally, what we can do is we can add multiple different conditional stylings. So instead of just having red, we can also have green if our project is complete. So if percent complete is equal to 100, we're going to press OK to that. And we'll see all the different complete projects are showing up as well. And then you have your projects that are in the middle. Additionally, Visual DB is not limited to one field having these conditional styles. We can do it for other fields. So for example, if we wanted to do a conditional style for our estimate, let's go down to advanced conditional styling. Let's create a new conditional style. Let's make it red. And let's say, for example, if the estimate is greater than or equal to, let's say, 30, right? And we do that because that's too much. And we do that, and we'll see all these different rows that meet the requirements of the conditional style. So now they're red because they're either 30 or above. So that is conditional styling within Visual DB. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.